Hi, my name is Jenny and I'm doing a bag review on Michael Kors, the mini Rhea. This one, I'm not sure what the official name is because I bought it off of Mercari, but it's like a burgundy, like a dark burgundy, deep red kind of color. Obviously this is not their signature print. This is leather. Right now on their site they do have their signature print going on sale for $171, and that's for their Black Friday sale. So this bag is actually a mini bag. Obviously it measures 6 1/4 by 7 1/2 by 2 3/4. Gold hardware, and then it also comes with detachable backpack straps, so you can shoulder carry, backpack, or crossbody. For some reason with all their mini backpacks, they have their straps are like super long, and I'm only 5'2", so I have it on the very top setting, and then I had to loop it through and secure it in the back. I don't have a problem with it. I actually like this backpack for like quick trips. So there's a small pocket in the front. Not a lot can fit here, it's very shallow. So normally I put like my chapstick or like my small mints. You can even put keys as long as there are not a lot of them. The second compartment, it's just a big pocket. It goes all the way down to the bag. And then the main compartment has a back pocket that goes all the way down, the main, and then a smaller pocket in the front. So normally when I pack this has my wallet, my phone, little makeup case, that kind of thing. Okay, let me show you how I have it packed up. So let's begin with the small pocket. I forgot to mention that the very front bottom pocket has double zippers. I wish the whole bag had double zippers, just because, you know, I like I don't have a preference on which shoulder I carry, so it's just easier to open, in my opinion. So in the front pocket, it's like I said, it's my small Altoids. I don't have my chapstick at the moment. And then in the middle pocket, I have my makeup. Normally I have it in a little small pouch, but since this is such a small bag, it just makes more sense just to not put them in pouches. So this is my AirPods, and then my makeup fits nicely right there. This is my mini kabuki brush, powder, lip gloss, and my eyeliner. And then in the back pocket, the main pocket I should say, let's see how that folds open. So the back here, so it's just my phone case. Obviously I'm recording with my phone, but it's a pretty solid case, so this is pretty much the size. I have an iPhone XS Max, so it fits perfectly in that back pocket. And then behind it I have a charger with its cord, just because, you know, sometimes I use my phone too much and forget to charge it. In the middle right here is sanitizing wipes in the white pouch, and then my sanitizer spray. And then in that front pocket is my wallet. It's Kate Spade. It's their Staci slim bifold wallet. Love the size of this, especially in mini bags. So like I said, definitely a mini bag. No, I have 2 kids, so this is normally when I am by myself or with my husband, and I'm just caring for myself. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.